Hello, so welcome to the part 6 of Project 1, building a Flask server app. And now we're working on templates. So right here, this is the footer. I didn't want to do many different styles. I just put it right here on the UL element. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. I separated the color. I took away the color. I took away the color and I put the color and the class header. I could do some different color for the class footer, but right now I'm showing you the changes that I made. Class header, I defined the class header in the CSS, and I took away the background color out of the nav. So I will so I'm using nav in here, and I'm also using nav on the footer. Okay. So let's see how it looks like. Let's go and our CMD and city docs, city videos, city servers, city python, city flask, and let me set the flask up very quick. Flask underscore app to server.py. After, we're going to do the configuration later and everything. Server.app, and then we haven't still done the config files, Let me set the environment, flask underscore environment, to be development. Now let me turn on my virtual environment. So I put VNV. So let me see something. DR. Oh man. Let me cd to my project 1. Now VNV dash scripts dash activate. Now flask run. Okay, my server app is running. Now let's go ahead and look it up. 12, yeah. So right here in the bottom is floated to the left. That's why it's in here. And now let's make so the header is on the top, and let's make so the footer is fixed in the bottom. Okay. Okay, so right here I'm just making some changes to the footer. I've made it red so I can see the changes itself. So I made the position fixed for now. Maybe I could make the position for the header fixed as well. I also made the padding 16 pixels, top and right 18 pixels, and the width of 100%. Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. You know, sometimes if you are using Chromes, Google Chromes, it's always caching, saving old styles and stuff that you won't be able to see the updated version of it. So just go ahead and you open the developer tools, and the developer tools you can click on disable cache, and it will allow you to reload from the server, so you don't have to erase the history and cache all the time. So now what I'm thinking of doing is, on the footer I will take this away. I don't want to use the li anymore information, and probably I don't want to use the nav. I could have this in a different position. Maybe I will call this a diff, and a diff in here. So by the way, this gets the year, the current year. This is a JavaScript function, okay? You gotta surround it between a script tag inside the HTML. So right here, I will close this. For now, I will not give any class because I don't need this. Actually, maybe I will just give it a class now. It doesn't matter. So I don't have to create more colors and stuff like that. Yeah. Now let's see how the difference. Okay, I reloaded. Everything is reloaded. I want to make all my letters, everything text align on the footer. For now, I'll make a text align center. Not footer, it's just footer. It won't notice, you won't notice. Center. Yeah, it won't be noticeable. For now. And here you can see all rights reserved. Oh, I didn't put reserved correctly. Footer reserves. Okay. And basically, probably I will make this into black as well. So let me make it black. On the footer, so instead of red, I will make it black, you know. I can type in black, or I can just put 000, save. Now let's make and see the changes. Good. Now we can work inside here or work on this for now, but that will be for later. I have to think, what type of things do we have to do? What type of things do we want to do? Maybe a login, and maybe some scroller and stuff like that in here.